So you guys know we do a ton of paint protection film here at the shop, and we have a couple examples of cars that are getting full body paint protection film. This first car on my left hand side is this brand new Ford F-150. This is the Tremor trim level and it looks really good. However, the customer brought us the vehicle and they want to protect the full vehicle from rock chips, scratches, and any other road debris that the vehicle might encounter. So the guys have already started working on it. Right now they're just measuring up the hood to see exactly how much material is needed for this. So far they've knocked out the front bumper and the roof on this vehicle. If you guys notice, we also have pretty much taken apart everything on the vehicle. This hood does have two hood scoops over here that are just held on by some clips. The fender pieces, the mirrors, the door handles, tail lights, all that stuff is fully removed so that way we can get full coverage and get as seamless of an installation as possible. To my right, we also have this brand new Audi S5 in the shop. This one is also going to be getting full body paint protection film in our Lumar Valor film. On this one, the customer didn't want us to remove anything. The only thing that we are removing is the door handle, so that way there is no seam around the door handle. However, we're leaving on the mirrors, we're leaving on the headlights, the taillights, and all the trim pieces just because that was per his request. We are also going to be tinting the full vehicle in the Ceramic Plus film and 30%. This is going to help keep the car cooler as well as help protect the interior. Like I mentioned, we are using the Lumar Valor paint protection film, which carries a 12-year warranty and has ceramic coating infused in the top layer, so that way you don't have to worry about ceramic coating the paint protection film or anything like that. Before applying the paint protection film, we also do a one-step paint correction, so that way the paint is in best possible condition, as well as remove any waxes or sealants that the dealership or the customer may have applied beforehand. If you are a shop or a PPF installer, you might have encountered a situation where the paint protection film isn't sticking to the body panel, and that might be because the dealership has already preloaded or installed ceramic coating or some type of sealant, and that sealant is preventing the paint protection film from sticking on to the actual paint. And that's part of the reason why we do that paint correction as well. We have already done the correction on both of them, and we are starting to lay film. We've already done the front bumper on the S5. We're just in the process of printing everything else and getting it all installed. Fred is about to start installing the passenger side fender on this F-150. So we're gonna go ahead, stop talking, and start installing. So just a quick little update on the cars. On the Audi S5, we have pretty much the front half and all 4 doors done. We just have pretty much the rear half as well as the rocker panels. So far, it's looking really good. Obviously, the clear bra is clear and it's not the matte or anything like that, so it looks the same. However, the guys, I believe, did tint the vehicle as well. We just have to finish up that rear half and do our final inspection, and that'll be all good to go. Same thing with the truck, pretty much the whole entire passenger side is complete, as well as the bumper. We just have a couple pieces on the driver's side, as well as the hood, and then that'll be all complete as well. The guys are still going strong on both vehicles, so we'll go ahead and check back in once they're all complete. So we got the Audi S5 all complete. We got it all wrapped up in Lewmar's Valor paint protection film. Like I mentioned earlier, this film carries a 12-year warranty, and it also has ceramic coating infused in the top layer. We got it pretty much covered from front to back. Nothing that is painted on this vehicle is left uncovered, so it's gonna be protected for years to come. The customer's on his way to pick up this vehicle. We still have the Ford F-150 inside, just getting the finishing touches. We're gonna be finishing up that, and then that'll conclude it for this video. So we got the Ford F-150 all complete. Just like the Audi S5, this one is covered from head to toe in paint protection film. And then we also do tuck all of the edges wherever we can. Whenever we were doing the hood, as you guys saw earlier, we removed the hood vents over here just so that way we can tuck under that. We did also remove these fender vents over here so that way you can get pretty much a seamless look. Same thing with the mirrors. We did take the mirrors off as well so that way we can tuck a little further. And the clear bra is tucked underneath this gasket over here and on the bottom. This customer didn't mind us removing anything, so we did extend all of our patterns so that way they tuck. And then if there is anything extra that we had to trim, we went ahead and just trimmed that. And then we did tint the 2 front windows in our Ceramic Plus 30% film. That IRX film, also known as the Ceramic Plus film, is about 80% heat rejection and it's 30% VLT. The VLT stands for the visible light transmitted through the film, so that is at legal limit while still giving you maximum heat rejection and UV protection. But that'll do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the process of the F-150 and the Audi S5. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next time.